Commission started a new international project on techniques for remote location of caves using thermal vision and UV imaging techniques. This project is designed to locate caves in hardly accessible regions like Afghanistan, Pakistan, and Tepuy in Venezuela, and will be extremely helpful to expand cave exploration in new regions. This way, science will help for development of the cave explorations. This program will consist of the following stages. First, to optimize techniques on the surface and to do calibration of it on map caves. Second, to put observation instruments on airplanes and helicopters to locate caves from the sky. 3. To put observational instruments on microsatellites. 4. To propose to NASA to use these techniques for location of caves on Mars.